Very good morning, children. Last week we focused on the word problems where the scenarios were very easy. We were able to understand what can be the number of ways in which objects or people can be arranged. Today, let us learn a new mathematical notation, or we can say operation, that is factorial. Like we have plus, minus, multiply. Similarly, there is another operation called as factorial. Its sign is exclamation sign. Its sign is exclamation sign. Okay, let's understand what does it mean. If I say that 4 factorial, suppose I want to find what is the value of 4 factorial. Now they both are attached, you cannot separate them, nor you can take common also. So 4 factorial का मतलब होता है go on reducing 4 with its multiplication till you get 1. Go on reducing 4 with its multiplication till you get the number 1. So 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Similarly, if I say 5 factorial, it will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. If I say 2 factorial, it will be 2 into 1. If I say 8 factorial, it can be 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3. Now it is very tedious to write like this. So this entire 8 factorial can also be written as 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. The moment where I want to stop, I'll put an exclamation sign. क्यों? ये 6 factorial का मतलब ही ये होता है. So this entire thing is replaced by 6 factorial. If I want, I can write like this also. 8 into 7 factorial. कैसे लिख सकता हूँ? 8 into 7 factorial. If I want, I can write this as 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. First you have to find this, then you have to multiply this. Okay? Clear with this? So this was with numbers. Let us write with a variable now. Suppose I have n factorial. क्या है मेरे पास? n factorial. ध्यान से देखो, अगर ये n है, n फिर से लिखा है, n है, n फिर से लिखा है, then this 3 is nothing but 4 minus 1, this 2 is nothing but 4 minus 2, this is nothing but 4 minus 3. ये हुआ 4 minus 3, ये 4 minus 2, 4 minus 1. So क्या हो गया? अगर मेरा 4n है तो ये हो जाएगा n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. तो क्या हो गया ये? n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 up to जब तक 1 नहीं आता. कितना नहीं आता? 1 नहीं आता. Correct? Similarly, if I want, I can stop also at some place. So n factorial can be n into n minus 1 factorial. अगर यहीं पर स्टॉप करना है तो इन सबको उड़ाने के लिए I'll have to put a factorial sign. Correct? Or else I can write like this also. N factorial is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2 factorial. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I am writing this n again, reducing it by 1, again reducing it by 1 and putting a factorial sign to stop. Understood? Okay. Now let us find some general factorials you should know. 0 factorial is equal to 1. इसका proof आप लोग मुझे दोगे. Why 0 factorial is 1? Okay? Why? And the answer will be find and you will tell me. Then 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2. 3 factorial क्या आएगा? 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. 4 factorial क्या आएगा? 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 24. अब 5 factorial कैसे लिखेंगे? 5 into 4 factorial. Correct? 4 factorial कितना है? 24. 24 5 are 120. Then 6 factorial क्या आएगा? 6 into 5 factorial, that is 720. Then 7 factorial क्या आएगा? 7 into 6 factorial, that is 5040. 8 factorial क्या आएगा? 8 into 7 factorial, 40320. Now 9 factorial, you find what is 9 factorial and what is 10 factorial. ठीक है, 9 factorial and 10 factorial you will find. Understood? Now we'll solve some sums so that you'll get more clear idea on factorial notation. Okay, from basic to advanced. First one, evaluate 8 factorial. So what do you mean by 8 factorial? 8 into 7 into 6. Am I right? Now we know the answer, so we'll write it directly. 40320. Second, it is 10 factorial that you will find. How will you find? 10 into 9 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial कितना होता है? 40320. You multiply and write the answer. ठीक है? The third one, it is 10 factorial minus 6 factorial. You cannot take factorial sign common. Factorial is attached to this number. Okay? So how will I do? I will, whichever is larger, use that number. 10 बड़ा है, so I can write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7. I will stop at 6 factorial because यहाँ पर भी 6 factorial है. So minus 6 factorial. Now what I can do? I can take 6 factorial common from here. I can take 6 factorial common. क्या बचेगा? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 minus 1. Multiply this, subtract by 1 and multiply by 6 factorial. समझा? You cannot write it as 4 factorial. Okay? Remember that. Next है 10 minus 6 का factorial. अगर factorial अंदर multiply भी नहीं होता है. First I will solve the bracket. What is 10 minus 6? 4. So answer is 4 factorial. That is 24. Understood? Next, question number 2. It is compute 12 factorial upon 6 factorial. 6 ones are 6 twos are, ऐसा नहीं होता है. इसका फैक्टोरियल बहुत बड़ा आएगा, डिवाइड करोगे तो 2 आंसर नहीं आएगा. How will you solve? 12 is the big number, so I'll expand 12. 12 into 11 into 10. I'll expand till where? Till 6 factorial. बराबर? Wherever I stop, I put a factorial sign. Now this completes 6 factorial. 6 factorial can be cancelled. This will be your answer. Okay? Clear? Yes? Now second one. It is 12 by 6 का factorial. पहले ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे. 6 twos are, the answer will be 2 factorial. That is 2. Clear? Next we have third and fourth you will solve. I will do fifth one. 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial. बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 9. तो 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 पे I will stop. 3 factorial can be written as 3 into 2 into 1 and 6 को as it is लिखेंगे. तो 6 factorial cut. 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, 12 7s are 84. So answer is 84. Understood? Next we have sixth one. This 6 factorial minus 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. 6 factorial minus 4 factorial upon 4 factorial. दोनों में से बड़ा कौन है? 6 factorial. इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. minus 4 factorial. Now I can take this 4 factorial outside as common. So 4 factorial बाहर निकालो. तो अंदर क्या बचा? 6 5 30. Nothing is left. So minus 1 upon 4 factorial. Cut. So answer is 29. कितना आएगा? 29. Okay. Next is write in factorials. They have given multiplications. You have to write in factorial notation. So first one, 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. So I'll write this as 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. I cannot write in factorial till I get a 1 over here. 1 नहीं है मेरे पास, तो मैं क्या करूँगा? I'll multiply by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. I'll also divide by. So मैंने multiply भी किया है, मैंने divide भी किया है, करेक्ट? तो ऊपर का नंबर का क्या हो गया? 10 से लेकर 1 तक. Since it is 10 to 1, this can be written as 10 factorial. It is 4 to 1, so I'll write this as 4 factorial. See, I've converted this multiplication into factorial notation. Okay. Second है 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now see, this can be written as 3. ये 3 2s are, 3 3s are, 3 4s are, 3 5s are, और ये 3 1s are. So 1 2 3 4 5. These 5 3s can be written as 3 raised to 5. अंदर क्या बचेगा? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. अब ये हो गया 5 से 1. What do you mean by 5 से 1? Yes, it means 5 factorial into 3 raised to 5. क्या आएगा? 5 factorial into 3 raised to 5. Third one, 6, 7, 8, 9. ये फर्स्ट सम की तरह है, इसको उल्टा लिखेंगे. 9, 8, 7, 6. क्या गायब है? 5 से लेकर 1 तक नंबर्स गायब है. सो कैन आई राइट मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 फैक्टोरियल, डिवाइड बाय 5 फैक्टोरियल, है ना? 5 से 1 मतलब 5 फैक्टोरियल, 5 फैक्टोरियल. तो 9 से लेकर फैक्टोरियल तक क्या हो जाएगा? 9 फैक्टोरियल और ये 5 फैक्टोरियल. समझा? यस. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. आपको फाइंड करना है वैल्यू n फैक्टोरियल अपॉन r फैक्टोरियल n माइनस r फैक्टोरियल का. तो फर्स्ट दिया है n is 8, r is 6. I'll just substitute the values first. n कितना है? 8. So 8 फैक्टोरियल. r कितना है? 6 फैक्टोरियल इंटू n माइनस r कितना आएगा? 2 फैक्टोरियल. सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 8. जो बड़ा है उसको ओपन करेंगे. सो 8 इंटू 7. आई विल स्टॉप एट 6 क्योंकि नीचे 6 है. 6 फैक्टोरियल. अब 2 फैक्टोरियल क्या होता है? 2 इंटू 1. सो 6 फैक्टोरियल. 6 फैक्टोरियल कट. 2 4 जा. सो आंसर कितना आएगा? 7 4 जा 28. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हम थोड़ा बड़ा नंबर लेते हैं. n is equal to 15, r is equal to 10. n 15 है, r 10 है. So 15 factorial upon r कितना है? 10 factorial और ये आएगा 5 factorial. बड़ा नंबर को ओपन करेंगे. That is 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 पे I'll stop क्योंकि नीचे 10 है. So 10 factorial. 5 can be written as Am I right? So 10, 10 cut, 5 3s are 15, 2 6s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 7s are, बराबर. So 13 into 21 into 11, जो भी आंसर मिलेगा आपको. Understood? Clear? Okay. Now let's move on to some good sums. You have to find n if n upon 8 factorial is equal to 3 upon 6 factorial. Now the problem starts because factorial का मतलब है a huge number. We are not gonna sit and substitute the values of 6 factorial and 4 factorial. First I'll try to find which is the smallest factorial over here. Out of these three, 4 factorial is the smallest. So we'll try to take out common. So I'll write this as n upon, इसको लिखेंगे 8 into 7, 6 factorial तक लिखते हैं. कितना? 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Let this 6 factorial be as it is, plus 1 upon, ये 4 factorial है. देखो इधर भी 6 है, इधर भी 6 है, इधर भी 6 लाएंगे. कैसे? 6 into 5 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यहाँ पर 6 into 5 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर में. करेक्ट? तो क्या हो जाएगा? n अपॉन 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, 3 upon 6 factorial plus 30 upon 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. कितना होगा? 6 factorial. Denominator same हो गया. So my right side has become very easy now. 8 into 7 into 6 factorial, 33 upon 6 factorial. 6 factorial कट हो गया. So n आएगा 8 into 7 into 33. This is my value of n. Okay, understood? Now, second in that, n upon 6 factorial, 4 upon 8 factorial plus 3 upon 6 factorial. We'll make it a little bit easy. इस 6 factorial को लेफ्ट साइड लेके आता है ताकि डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, तो आई कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट देम इजीली. ये 4 अपॉन 8 फैक्टोरियल, ये 6 है, ये 8 है, तो क्या करेंगे? 8 को 6 में लाने की कोशिश करेंगे. सो 4 8 7 6 फैक्टोरियल. करेक्ट? 6 फैक्टोरियल कट, 4 2 8, तो आएगा 14. n minus 3 is equal to 1. So 14n minus 42 is equal to 1. So 14n is equal to 43. Correct? So n becomes 43 upon 14. Just let me check the answer. Yeah, it's correct. N is equal to 43 upon 14. Now, let us take third one. This 1 upon n factorial, 1 upon 4 factorial minus 4 upon 5 factorial. Correct? सबसे पहले हम इधर भी 5 factorial बनाते हैं ताकि they can be subtracted very easily. So I'll write this as 1 upon n factorial. ये हो जाएगा 5 अपॉन 5 इंटू 4 फैक्टोरियल. ठीक है? तो ये 1 अपॉन n फैक्टोरियल, डिनोमिनेटर सेम हो जाएगा ना, 5 अपॉन 5 फैक्टोरियल, है ना. सो हो गया 1 अपॉन n फैक्टोरियल इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 5 फैक्टोरियल. देयरफॉर n फैक्टोरियल कितना आ रहा है? 5 फैक्टोरियल. फैक्टोरियल कट हो गया, because of equality, so n has to be 5. कितना आना चाहिए n? 5. Understood? Okay? Yes.